My name is Brahmani and I'm from India. I moved to Toowoomba for university after my 12th grade and it's been a pretty interesting journey so far. When I decided that I wanted to come to Australia, I considered all the factors ranging from the quality of education to competition and everything. Then I decided I wanted to come to USQ and here I am doing my Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Systems and Project Management. Coming from a city, I feel that I needed a change and that's what I got in Toowoomba. After coming here for university, I thought the journey will be pretty difficult. I was just 18 and I was moving out of house for the first time. When I came here, the first few days I was so scared that I couldn't even get out of my room. But after that, I can say that I've never been in my room. Toowoomba never made me feel away from home. It's always been my home away from home and the university has played a great important role in determining that. Toowoomba has been pretty great since it has lower population than the cities and thus it's easier to get onto the buses without any traffic. Secondly, I just love Toowoomba because of its beautiful nature and parks like at every place at walking distance. Since I live on campus, the Japanese gardens are quite nearby. I just love to take a break and just go there and take an evening walk. Also, if I need a change in the environment of my studies, I'll just go to Japanese gardens, take a book or two and study there. I've found that this has been very good in terms of my studying because it helps me focus better and a change of environment with the nature helps me boost my concentration. Also, the best part about Toowoomba is that I can go out with my friends whenever I want. It makes it quite easier with the convenient public transport, as well as it's been pretty great so far as the studies at USQ have been so good. The biggest challenge that I faced when I came here was that I was not very familiar with the place and nor was I very familiar with the people. Coming from India, which is very populated, I feel that I was missing all the crowds of people and just going out and talking to people. But the thing after I came here, a few days I was just in my room, very scared to go out, and to be very honest, I didn't even know where the refectory was in the first day. But as I came here, I met new people. I met my first roommate, which was so helpful. Then we slowly started going out, meeting people, meeting my professors, meeting new people. And it's all been so great after that. Now I don't find that there is any barrier or any problem to communicate with anyone. And I've found that the people in Toowoomba are so welcoming and so heartwarming.